Hello everyone. Today on the review table we have a machine that doesn't just dry your clothes, it actually knows them. This is Samsung's latest DV6000D series, specifically the DV90DG6845LEAH. If you're wondering why the name is so long, it's because there is more technology hidden inside this box than we've ever seen before. With a 9 kilograms capacity, heat pump technology, and yes, an A energy efficiency rating, we are going to examine this device down to the very last screw with an expert eye. If you're ready, let's get started. Let's start with the design. Samsung has gone for a very modern and minimalist line with this model. This black panel you see isn't just stylish. It's touch-sensitive and AI-powered. The door is a reversible door. This means depending on the layout of your bathroom or laundry room, you can have the service team change the opening direction. Fantastic flexibility for installation. When we open the door, we are greeted by a spacious, stainless steel diamond drum. And pay attention, there is a drum light inside. No more losing that one single sock in the dark. Now let's get to the most crucial point: economy. Friends, this machine uses heat pump technology. That means it doesn't heat the air with a resistor element like old dryers. Instead, it works like an air conditioner or refrigerator, compressing gas to heat the air. What does this mean for you? Your clothes aren't exposed to extreme heat so they don't get damaged, and your electricity bill stays incredibly low. This device is in the A energy efficiency class according to new standards. In fact, thanks to Samsung's AI energy mode, if you activate it via the SmartThings app, the machine optimizes compressor speed and cycle time to provide up to an extra 20% energy saving. We are talking about consumption as low as 79 kilowatt hours per 100 cycles. It is one of the most frugal machines you can find on the market. So what is this AI dry written all over the box? Is it just a marketing gimmick? No, there are advanced sensors inside this machine. It doesn't just detect moisture. It detects the weight of the laundry and even the fabric type. Yes, you heard that right. The algorithm understands if you are drying towels, denim, or delicate shirts. With AI Dry Plus technology, the machine constantly updates the temperature and duration. If the clothes are dry, it ends the program early. This ends the trouble of it stayed damp or the risk of it overdried and shrank. There is also the AI control panel. The machine learns your habits. If you use the towels program every morning, that's exactly what appears when you turn it on. It doesn't make you scroll through menus. When it comes to program variety, you have a very strong hand. In a rush, with the Super Speed program, you can dry a small load in a very short time. Did you take your winter coats out of storage and they smell musty? No need to wash them. The Air Refresh technology uses hot air to remove bad odors and bacteria from clothes. No water, no detergent, just air. There is also the Hygiene Care program for baby clothes or allergy sufferers. It applies high heat during drying to eliminate 99.9% of bacteria. And if you have a compatible Samsung washing machine at home, the Auto Cycle Link feature kicks in. When the washer finishes, it tells the dryer, "I just washed cottons, prepare accordingly," and it selects the correct drying program automatically. The biggest hassle for dryer users is filter cleaning. Samsung uses a 2-in-1 filter here. This double-layered mesh filter inside the door collects all the lint. This means you don't have to constantly clean the bottom heat exchanger cover. The machine will alert you when it's time to clean anyway. Finally, let's talk about trust. The heart of this machine is the digital inverter motor. Since it works without brushes and friction, it is very quiet, and Samsung offers a massive 20-year warranty on this motor. That is proof of how much they trust this product. To summarize, the Samsung DV90DG6845LEAH isn't just a machine that dries laundry. It's a smart assistant that manages your home's energy and protects your fabrics. If you wash clothes frequently, especially in winter or in homes without drying space, and you are looking for a solution that is friendly to both your electricity bill and your clothes, this model should be at the top of your list right now. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button and write any questions you have in the comments. I will answer them one by one. See you in the next review. Take care.